Hello everyone, my name is Raju Vishwas. My shari name is Mahashiva Center. Today's share is a new shari. This is a Shivhari pin shari. The Alwa shari have 5.5 meter and this shari have a blouse piece total 6.5 meter. The shari, this shari price only 210 rupees. This shari show you the catalog the same as shari with BP. The BP is velvet and is the sari is the chiffon sari, raw sari. This is a lightweight sari. These saris have a very comfortable. These saris have 3 unique color and design. The second color show you the Shivhari sari is Shivhari pin. Chiffon sari is Shivhari pin. The Alwa sari yellow and Rani Shivhari paint. The Alwa sari have box work Shivhari pin. This is the contrast blouse piece. And next one color show you of a sari. This is the yellow color blouse and sky color combination of sari. Is a very beautiful comfortable sari. This sari is all over the paint and all painted have very comfortable and all color have a color guarantee. This is a unique sari. Also this sari is this contrast blouse everyone. Those unique color and unique design. This saree is the next one, the black color combination under design. This saree has all over sarees painted. All sarees have very huge quantity. Please contact us. My number. Thank you very much.